C program for dynamic memory allocation using malloc function. I have already included the header files, which is stdio.h and stdlib.h, and let me have the return type of the main function as void. Let's start with the actual code. I will be having int star ptr, which will point to the memory block allocated using malloc function, int n and counter. Let's get the number of elements which we want to store in memory allocated using dynamic memory allocation. So we will get the value of n. Printf enter number of elements to be stored, and let's store it in the variable n. Okay, so we want to store n variables in an array. Now ptr will be equals to int star malloc n into size of int. Now let's check if memory is allocated or not. If ptr is equals to null, then we can say that memory is not allocated. Printf memory not allocated, or we can exit with 0. Else we will print memory allocated. Printf memory allocated, and let's initialize the values with something so that we can actually print the values. So for what the name of the counter? Okay, I have used counter equals to 0, counter less than n, counter plus plus, and we will initialize p with p of counter with 10 multiplies with counter, and after that we will again copy this loop and print the values. And let's print the values using printf %d comma p of counter, and let's have a space after every element. So, and let's print a statement before actually printing the values. So printf values are /n. Let's also have a slash in here also, and compile and run the code. P and declare. Okay, I have to write ptr, and here also ptr. Now let's run. Enter number of elements to be stored. I want to store 6 elements. So memory allocated values are 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Why 0? Because I have multiplied the index with 10. So 10 into 0 is 0, 10 into 1 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, likewise 10 into 5 is 50. So we are printing this. Let's update this value with something more understandable. Let's do one thing, counter plus 1. So the first element will be also equals to 10. I want to print 7. So 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. What it is doing is 10 into counter, which is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 10 into 1, which is 10, plus 1 is 11. So this is a C program to have dynamic memory allocation using malloc function. In the next video we will write a C program for dynamic memory allocation using calloc function. That's it in this video. We will write some more code in the next video. Thank you very much.